Hi! Hi! Welcome sa aking YouTube channel. Hello dear grade 5 pupils! Welcome sa my YouTube channel. And kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, subscribe ka na. Click the notification bell and also like and share and also comment. Okay, in today's vlog, I will just discuss your articulated beta. So ano pa bang hinihintay nyo? Let's jump right in. Let me share my screen. Okay, kita nyo na ba ang aking screen? Okay, so this is articulated task, second quarter. So we have team, responsible Rhetorian, sharing the goodness of God's creation through poultry raising. So this is articulated sa mga subject na to, computer, HELES, science, English, math, and CLE. Okay, so this is the transfer goal. We combine the content standards and performance standards and also the competencies so that we to create this articulated test. Let me read. The learner is expected to show their understanding of how animals like poultry grow, develop, and reproduce, and compare or round decimal data about their small poultry business by creating a flyer or poster that promotes their poultry business as a good way to earn money while caring for God's creation. The flyer or poster will include pictures, shapes, tables, or charts, and will use clear sentences that are respectful, age-appropriate, and easy to read. Okay, gagawa kayo ng flyer. Okay, that promotes your poultry business. Okay? Kung saan ito ay magandang pagkakakitaan. Okay? Okay. So ito yung inyong goal. This is your goal. Your goal is to make a flyer or poster that promotes your poultry business. The flyer or poster will show how your poultry animals grow and reproduce, how you care for them, and how selling them helps your family. You will use pictures, shapes, charts, or tables and write clear and respectful sentences. So you can use stock images. You can also use ChatGPT and other AI tools to generate pictures that you may use in making your in creating your own flyer or poster. Or hanap lang kayo ng mga images na free. Yung walang copyright. So optional to, you can create either flyer or poster. Okay. Next, this is your role. Imagine that you are a young poultry business owner who wants to tell people about your poultry products and how you care for your animals. So you just include information about your poultry business and how you care for your animals. Example, nag-aalaga kayo ng manok, itinda kayo ng manok, aalaga kayo ng manok, ng baka, baboy, kambing, rabbits, yan. Yan yung mga domesticated animals. Pwede nating ibenta. Okay, this is your audience. Your audience is your neighbors, families, and people in the community who may want to buy your poultry products or learn about poultry raising. Kung nagtitinda kayo ng itlog, di ba, galing sa manok yan, ba? Audience, yung customers, kapitbahay, and people in the community. Or meat, galing sa chicken, galing sa rabbit, or pork, yan, galing sa baboy. Okay, so this is the sample situation. Okay, your community is holding a mini livelihood fair. You have been invited to create a flyer or poster to display at the fair. It will show how your poultry business works, how animals grow, and how your business can help earn money while caring for God's creation. So yun po yung content ng inyong flyer or poster. So yan, i-display yan sa fair, mini livelihood fair to inspire the young to start their small business. Okay? You just give information how your animals grow, how your business can help earn money while caring for God's creation. Siyempre, hindi natin uh, pinababayaan ng ating environment. Okay? Though, pinagkakitaan natin yung mga domesticated animals na inaalagaan natin. Okay, so this is your product. Paulit-ulit na, okay? A flyer or poster that shows how poultry animals grow and develop, that has pictures. Tandaan nyo yan, may pictures. It's either you can use stock pictures. For example, sa Pixabay or other sites na may free images or pictures. Like you can use shapes, charts, tables, organizing organizing the data information. Okay, that shares data, prices, number of chickens or eggs sold, rounded or compared decimal amounts, and uses simple, compound, or complex sentences that are respectful and easy to understand. Okay, so this is the criteria. This is how we grade you, or this is how I grade you. So first is the content of your flyer or poster. Make sure that it clearly explains poultry growth, care, and business. And also you integrate math using decimal data through tables, data shown, rounded or compared correctly. And also design like pictures, charts, tables, making sure that your flyer or poster is neat, colorful, and complete. And also sentences. Sentences are clear, respectful, and correct. So, ano ba yung application na gagamitin nyo dito? MS Word. Kung wala kayong computer or laptop, you can use your phones. You can use your tablet. Meron namang application na MS Word. May Google document. Or kung wala talaga, you can use Canva or other apps na closely relate, kumbaga, same yung features or kumbaga ma-apply nyo pa rin yung lesson natin sa Word document kahit ibang application yung ginagamit. Yun lang. Okay, kung may mga katanungan pa kayo, you can just comment your comment on in the comment section. Kung wala na, you can start doing your creating your flyer or poster. Okay, hanggang doon na lang. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.